In this quick video, I will show you how to deposit money in Binance step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and then log in first. Then once you have logged in, go to your wallet and click Overview. Click Deposit, and since we're going to deposit money in Binance, click Fiat Deposit here and then select your currency. So the payment method will vary depending on the currency you're going to select. So for example, we're going to use Euro. So the payment method here is using a bank card. And if you want other method, you can use add Cash account balance. So if you want to select a currency, for example, PHP, and as you can see, the only recommended payment method is using P2P Express. So if we're going to use Euro, you can use bank card here, click continue, and then you're only gonna need to type down your card number, the expiry date, the security code, and just click confirm here. Then once you have added your card, click continue, and then go to your wallet, click fiat and spot, and on the search bar here, type down Euro, and then you will see here your total amount of Euro in your fiat and spot wallet. And if you have any questions about how to deposit money in Binance, leave a comment below.